Welcome to Castielle's Adventure! Red, wow, that's a cool RC car. Can I borrow? No, this is only for boys. But girls can also use it. No. Aha!
Toy delivery!
My toy! Thank you, bye! Look guys, this is my RC car! Red, look, come! What is that, Castielle? Okay, let's see, let's open. Okay. Whoa! Wait. Wow! Forget this. Look, guys!
Wow!
Here's the remote. And then let's go do like this. Look at the remote. I'll help you. Wait. Here. Woo! I have green, black remote. Let's go get the car. This is so awesome.
Castielle, this is the on and off.
Okay.
See. Wait. Try.
Whoa! This is so cool.
Go play together.
Okay. I'll catch you.
You run. Out.
Thank you for watching our video and remember to be safe always. Bye!